Tuesday, the 19th of November. Here are the trend segments for right now to the end of the week, overlaid on the Astro Excel. We've got an uptrend this afternoon, 1432 to 1555 should be an ABC pattern. Tomorrow we have midnight to 4:10 a.m. downtrend. That's an ABC. Then we have a back-to-back behind that. We've got an 8:02 to 11:30 downtrend and 11:30 to 12:56. That one is an ABC. We've got a key timing window. Wednesday, 1:34 to 4:55 a.m. And then we've got two downtrends behind that, 4:55 to 8:30. And then 8:30 to 9:58, we have an ABC pattern there on that one. And then one on Friday, 6:30 to 8 a.m. That is an ABC pattern. So those are the key trend segments for the rest of the week, and only the one primary B2 timing window on Thursday. That's early in the AM.